Good morning and welcome back to Morning Markets from True Potential. Paul Durrant, Investment Director. If we start by looking at how equity markets behaved yesterday, we saw heightened volatility continue, and that was on the back of the ongoing tensions between Russia and Ukraine. We heard from Russia on Tuesday where they effectively announced that they'd identified 2 regions within Ukraine that are backed by Russian separatists. As such, we did see continued volatility and a response from the US where they'd look to impose sanctions on Russian financial institutions. This has not yet been labelled an invasion, but for now, Russia's avoiding much harsher sanctions, but we'll have to see how the situation unfolds. There's a lot of information that's coming through and a lot to digest. If we look at how stock markets behaved yesterday, well, based on these headlines, we saw Europe sell off the most, but they did actually recover and end up flat over the course of yesterday. Here in the UK, they also sold off initially, but actually ended up in positive territory. And for the US, we saw weaker returns, but that was more to do with the fact of expecting higher interest rates in the US this year. It really does highlight the importance of remaining invested, being in a well-diversified portfolio that can help navigate a challenging and volatile environment over the short term. Elsewhere, we did have positive US economic data. We had the US manufacturing and services PMI survey data, which is done monthly. It's an indicator that is widely followed by investors because it gives you a great insight to how businesses are coping within the current environment. Both the manufacturing and services data came well ahead of expectations, highlighting that the US economy is on good footing and recovering well following the Omicron outbreak. What we saw was improvements in the supply bottlenecks, which is really important because it's been filtering into the higher inflationary pressures that we're seeing. Should this continue, we'd expect inflationary pressures to actually ease going forward, and that is our expectations. So good news from the US economy on the data front. The situation regards Russia and Ukraine will continue to evolve. There will be a lot of headlines, but it's important just to take a step back, take confidence of being within a well-diversified solution. We'll keep you up to date over the coming days, but that's everything from me today. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.